Start by opening up System Preferences by clicking on the icon in the dock. If you cannot find System Preferences in your dock, you can search for System Preferences in Spotlight. Now click on Desktop and Screen Saver. On the left you'll see a menu with options such as Apple, Photos and Folders. Under the Apple section you can select background images or solid colors that come with your Mac. Under the Photos section you'll find all your photos from the Photos application, for example, your synchronized iPhone images. If you want to change it to a completely custom image, click on the plus button in the bottom left. Then browse to the folder where your image is located and click on Choose. Now you can see and click on your images to use them as your desktop background.